Does procrastination sound like an all too familiar foe? A villain that sneaks up on us, robbing us of time and productivity, and leaving us with a pile of unfinished tasks and unfulfilled dreams. This thief of dreams, as it's often called, can be a powerful adversary unless confronted and defeated. Take a moment to journey with Sarah, a bright and ambitious young woman who, like many of us, found herself wrestling with the clutches of procrastination. Sarah, a gifted writer with a burning desire to share her stories with the world, had a dream. She dreamt of one day seeing her name printed on the cover of a book. But there was a problem: procrastination. Year after year, Sarah found herself postponing her writing projects. The excuses were many and varied: fear of failure, feeling overwhelmed, or simply being distracted by other less pressing tasks. The dream of becoming a published author remained just that, a dream. But one day, Sarah had enough. Tired of her dreams being held hostage by procrastination, she took a stand. She made a decision to face her procrastination head-on, to wrestle it to the ground and regain control of her destiny. With a newfound determination, Sarah set out to conquer her procrastination. She broke down her lofty writing goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. She set strict deadlines and stuck to them. She created a dedicated workspace, free from distractions, and developed a daily writing routine. Slowly, but surely, Sarah began to see a transformation. Her words flowed more freely, her creativity blossomed, and she found herself making steady progress on her writing projects. Each small victory was a blow against procrastination, weakening its hold on her. Before she knew it, Sarah had achieved her dream. Her debut novel was published to critical acclaim, and she was hailed as a rising star in the literary world. But perhaps most importantly, Sarah had triumphed over procrastination, proving to herself and others that it could be defeated. Sarah's journey serves as a powerful testament to the power of determination, perseverance, and the courage to confront our fears. She shows us that it is possible to overcome procrastination and turn our dreams into reality. So remember, the next time procrastination tries to sneak up on you, take a leaf out of Sarah's book. Break down your tasks, set deadlines, eliminate distractions, and develop a routine. With these strategies, you too can overcome procrastination and reclaim control over your destiny. Procrastination may be a formidable foe, but it is not invincible. With determination and the right strategies, you can defeat it and turn your dreams into reality, just like Sarah. Now, isn't that a story worth telling? In the grand scheme of overcoming procrastination, the key lies in taking action. It's natural, even expected, to feel apprehensive about tackling monumental goals. Waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, the perfect plan, only serves to prolong the process. Imagine standing at the edge of a high diving board. You can stand there, frozen in fear, waiting for the perfect moment to dive. Or you can take a deep breath, summon your courage, and leap. The first step may seem daunting, but once you're in motion, momentum carries you forward. Now let's apply this analogy to your goals. If your ultimate aim is to launch an online business, don't let the enormity of the task overwhelm you. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Start with a simple goal, like creating a business name. Each small victory, each step forward, releases a rush of dopamine, reinforcing your positive behavior and motivating you to chase the next goal. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Don't let procrastination rob you of your potential. Embrace action, seize the opportunities that lie ahead, and watch as your dreams transform into reality.